Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of a TOPVISION brand. This is a baby monitor system. The communication is 2.4 gigahertz, and it sends video and audio and temperature with this little probe right there. Comes with a nice instruction booklet, mounting screws so that you could mount the camera using this base right here, and two 1 amp 5 volt chargers with the plug that matches the receiver to charge it, because this is portable, and the transmitter to power the transmitter. Now on the unit itself there is the power input right there, and this is probably a reset switch right there, or a power switch I should say. And here's where you charge the unit right there, and then we're going to test out all these controls. It also comes with a nice little contact the company. I've never seen something like this. It's got the days of the week and little pullable strips of colored paper on there, and a 1-800 or 188 number and a contact email how to contact the company. So you can feel pretty secure that you're going to have a good experience with this product because you have contact information right there. Now this unit has long range, and it should work up to 1,000 feet in your house. That's very good. We're going to test that. The camera can rotate 360 degrees, and it could also move up and down like that, which is 120 degrees of angle right there. It has clear two-way monitoring using the microphone and speaker. You should be able to hear your baby and also talk back to your baby. It also has the ability to detect if your baby's making noise, because it has a voice-operated switch. It will automatically turn the monitor on, so that if something's going on with your baby, crying, coughing, you'll be able to hear that. It has a series of 9 infrared LEDs. We're going to test that out, so that if it's total darkness, it will illuminate your crib and your baby so you can still see them while they're sleeping. And I mentioned temperature. This is 24 hours a day. It'll display the temperature Fahrenheit or centigrade. Also has a baby feeding alarm that you can program into this. The company provides a full 24 months warranty, and as I mentioned, direct customer support. It's service at topvisiontech.com. So powering the devices is very simple. The transmitter, you provide the power with the included adapter, and it just plugs right in just like that. Then you see a LED blue light come on right there, and that's allowing that to be powered and ready. The receiving unit has a power button on the left. You hold that down. It comes up with a little graphic, little baby character, cartoon character, and then there's the image that comes up. Very simple. To turn it off, you just hold this down just like that, and it powers the unit down and says goodbye essentially. So I have the transmitter and the receiver powered on. You can actually hear the sound right there, and the image is right there. I have the camera pointing that way to a old Edison record player, and you can see the image right there. It's nice and clear on the system right there. Now the actual receiver is chargeable, so you want to plug this in and it will keep charging. You can see a little charging indicator right there. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but that will keep charging, and eventually that will tell you it's fully charged, and then you don't even need to have the power adapter on there because it's totally portable then. Now the unit has the speaker in the back right there, and it has a nice little stand so that you could stand it up right on a table just like that. Now the transmitter, as I showed, has the power right there. That's a pairing button there, and there's the temperature sensor. The infrared sensors are outside there. Now when you first power this up, you're going to have to go through a simple procedure. You hit this button right here, and it'll get to the menu, and there's 4 options. The first one right there you're going to hit, and it's going to say camera register. You're going to hit the OK button again, and it says please press the pairing button on the baby monitor. On the baby monitor, there's that pairing button right there. We're going to hit that. And then it came back and it said paired OK. Then you want to hit this button there, which is like a back button. And then all of a sudden it shows your image now, and the audio's there too. Now the audio, it took me a while to figure it out, but the volume is actually right on the side here. It's very simple. It's got a little display there. You just bring it up and down, and you can hear the feedback because I got the transmitter very close right here. So there's your volume up and down, very simple. Another function is if you hold this button right here down, it allows you to talk to your baby. So if I hold this down, testing 1, 2, 3. So you're getting feedback because I'm right next to the unit. We're going to test it further away. That allows you to talk to your baby right there. And then of course, anytime you want to raise the volume, like I showed, just go like that, and you'll be able to hear every little sound that the baby is making. Going back to this button right here, if you go to the second menu item right there, there's where you have your alarm. You could set it. There's all different alarm times right there. That could be feeding alarms. And you could turn the alarms on and off right there, and also set the time. If you go to the next box right there, you have some functionality things, and you have time and date. Temperature you could have in Fahrenheit or Celsius. You also have anti-flicker, and for United States you want to put that to 60 Hertz. And you have system mode, which is normal mode or Vox mode. Normal mode is what I have it in. Vox mode means that it will trigger when your baby makes a sound. And then you have Vox sensitivity right there, where you can control how sensitive that is. And you have low, medium, and high. And then the last thing you have is the LCD backlight. So I could reduce that down. It was kind of bright. There, I reduced it down now. Get it to a level you're comfortable with, hit OK, and then you go back. I want to point out something else, that the baby monitor camera has the microphone in the back and the speaker is right there. So going over some of the display functions on here, there's a temperature there, and there's a signal strength indicator. There is an alarm on and off setting, and then your battery charge level right there. And then when you hit the volume controls I showed, it displays it right there. And then you have your brightness control right there. The microphone, when you hold this down to talk, is right there. And that's what's going to send your voice to your baby to the monitor itself. I'm in a total dark room right now, and you can see the infrared LEDs are on, and it's actually displaying my camera that's recording this. My camera's having a hard time picking this up, but the image on here is very clear, and it shows that the infrared's working. And you can see that showing my face right there. And again, the image is very clear on the monitor. It's just the camera's having a hard time picking it up. It's very clear. I'm going to leave it into night mode, night vision, and I'm going to keep this unit on my first floor, and then I'm going to go upstairs, and I'm going to go the furthest point away in my house to test out the range. So here I'm upstairs, and I'm the farthest room away from this transmitter, the baby monitor, and you can see it's displaying perfectly. I have the camera pointed to my old Edison record player, and it's just displaying the image perfectly, and I can actually hear a little bit of sound just in the room from the outside. So what do I think about the TOPVISION brand, the baby monitor? I like this. This is a nice system. It worked really well. The image was clear, the transmission range was great. All the features of this were working really nice. Comes with everything you need. It's a complete kit, and I think you're gonna really like it to make you feel safe to monitor your baby at night. So I'm gonna give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helps you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.